How to sign up to Rockstar Games. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to sign up to your rockstargames.com. So first thing first, just open up any of your favorite browser and simply head over to the socialclub.rockstargames.com, which is the official website of your Rockstar Games. And once inside here, you can just tap on the sign in button if you have an existing account, or you can also sign in with your PlayStation or Xbox account. So if you don't have any one of these, you can just tap on the sign up button since we are creating an account from scratch. So just tap on that and just provide your date of birth just like this. And once you provide your date of birth, just click on next just like this, and just agree the terms and conditions. Click on next and just provide your email address as well as your password and your nickname and your country where you belong, and simply provide it just like this. So let me just quickly do it once again. Once you do all of that, just click on next, and then it should provide you with the verification code, that is 6-digit OTP code on your Gmail, registered Gmail. So just open up your mail and simply paste the code over here. So as you can see, I've got the code over here, so I'll simply copy and paste it over there and simply click on submit. And just like that, your Rockstar Games account has been successfully created. So you can also change this profile visibility for everyone or only you. So just once you are satisfied, just tap on this continue. And so that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.